Let's see what has happened with the Nifty dates and Bank Nifty dates. Okay, so here we have 5th May as our low, and then 8th or 11th May, weekend issue is there. So 8th or 11th of May will be our high. And if you see in the market, there has been a kind of high on the 8th. So the report was, I think, released on 3rd or 4th of May. So this candle, after this candle, the low was made on 5th, and then 5th low was also broken on 6th. Let's see on the chart what has happened. So if we see Nifty, our date was 5th. Okay, so 5th was our date, and then we had 8th and 11th. Okay, so 8th, and then we have 11th. Okay, whatever, depending on if you have a existing position, you exit on Friday, and then if you want to create a new position, you create on Monday. This is what I also told in my webinar. Okay, so the webinar link is also available in the description. Then what we have in the Bank Nifty, although Bank Nifty forecast was revised a bit. Okay, so we have in Bank Nifty, if you see, we have again the same dates. Okay, so 5th of May as our low, and then 8th of May and 11th of May as our high. Okay, so what is happening on Bank Nifty chart? Let's see. In Bank Nifty, 5th low, and then after that you see this low is broken a bit. That happens. Okay, then we have kind of made a high on 8th, and let's see what happens on 11th. So if I was long, I would have exited on 8th, and then if I want to create a new short, I will be creating on 11th. So after this, what is the next date? The next date you can get from the link in the description. Okay, so other than this, I had forecast on crude oil, in which again we had a low date on 5th of May, then 11th May is the high. Okay, so what we see on the crude oil chart is that, so in crude oil, 5th was a low, and then 11th we are waiting for a high. Okay, so after that, what is the next date of the low? That you need to go and check the link for the report from which you can buy it. Okay, after this I would like to continue with the S&P forecast which I had made, and if you remember these dates, 3rd low, and then 9th high, 14th low, 3rd, 9th and 14th. Let's see what is happening. So we have S&P in front of us, 3rd April as a low, and before this 26 was the high. So from 26th 3rd, and then 9th, and then 14th. So guys, you know, it can be plus minus 1 day, but I am not taking that plus minus 1. I am just taking the exact date. Okay, so to eliminate the any kind of confusion, I am just taking the exact date. Now after this, after 14th low, there is a 20th high, 22nd low, 28th, 22nd, 28th. So we have 20th high, 22nd low, 28th high. This is what our date is. Yes, 28th high. Then first low, 5th high. We need to remember May 1, 5, 7. 7 is going to be a low. Okay, so what has happened? 7 is going to be a low. So 7 is going to be a low, and 5th was a high, and 1st was again a low. Okay, so I have marked as per my memory, so I remember these dates, so I marked them beforehand. And then We have next after 7th we have 12th as a high, then 21st as a low. So 12th as a high and then 21st as a low. So this is what it was also available freely on my Telegram channel. If you go and search on 3rd of April, there will be a post where I posted those dates. And then after this date, if you want to continue, you can buy the forecast. The description has that link. Okay, so thanks for watching. I will be bringing continuously the updates what has happened. Okay, so I have given you the date of high in Nifty and Bank Nifty as well as crude, but then the coming date I am not giving that. You can buy, and I also need to protect the interest of people who have bought it. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.